Hi everyone, every instruction I'm about to share has been verified by the mechanics in the shop I'm at, so relax. This can be fixed. If your Ford Fusion shows the message transmission not in park, don't panic or assume you've broken the transmission. What the car is basically saying is, hey, I'm not sure you're actually in park even if you say you are. It's the car's way of protecting both you and itself, making sure the parking brake and transmission are properly aligned before letting you turn off the vehicle or exit. Interestingly, many mechanics report that this warning can appear even when the shifter is in park. It's almost like the car is a little paranoid. Sometimes all it takes is pressing the brake and moving the shifter back into park for a few seconds and the message goes away. So it doesn't always indicate a serious problem. If the message persists, one of the most common culprits is the cable or bushing connecting the shifter to the transmission. On many Ford Fusion models over the years, this bushing can wear out or shift, causing the car to get the wrong signal and think you're not in park. Many mechanics have solved the issue simply by adjusting or replacing that cable or bushing. Another possible reason, mechanics say, is an electronic glitch, or a problem with the park torch neutral position sensor. Sometimes vehicle modules lose communication or get confused, triggering the warning even if everything is physically correct. In these cases, performing a reset by disconnecting the battery for a few minutes or using an OBD2 scanner usually teaches the car that you really are in park. Some mechanics also notice the message appearing after quickly turning off the engine, leaving doors open, or following repairs near the shifter. This happens because the system needs to verify everything is in park before allowing the vehicle to turn off or shift. Simply waiting a few seconds and making sure the shifter is fully seated often clears the message.